My life has taken off. I have so much more energy. I feel completely different.
Janet Sitzmann is a massage therapist, a mother, and a new grandmother. These days, she is thriving, but that hasn't always been the case. This was Janet in November of 2012, describing the pain she felt in both of her knees, battling rheumatoid arthritis.
Some days it feels like there's ground glass in my knees. Every once in a while I feel like something shift in my leg, and I thought it was a tendon shifting across, and I realized it's the bone scraping across. I knew that I needed knee replacements, but I had no idea how that would ever happen.
In December 2012, Janet was chosen as a candidate for Operation Walk USA and received a free bilateral knee replacement. Her surgery was performed by Dr. Jeffrey Salin with Kansas City Bone and Joint Clinic, a division of Signature Medical Group. December 8, 2012 was Janet's turning point.
At that point, I was using a cane. I could barely walk. It was really uncomfortable to move. And then I had my surgery, and a month later I was at work. I was doing 2 to 3 massages a day, and that was amazing.
Janet went from living with constant pain holding her back to a life full of work, friends, social events, travel, and family, including her new grandson.
In April, I went to visit my daughter because she was expecting my very first grandson. I remember walking in the airport at Dallas, and I thought, if I hadn't had my surgery, there's no way I could have done this. I couldn't have gone, this many steps. It just wouldn't have been possible. So I was just saying thank you, thank you, thank you as I was doing that. And then I walked all over Grenoble, and Grenoble, France is where my daughter lives. And it just was an amazing time.
That day in surgery, a service donated by Dr. Salin and numerous other medical staff and companies, changed Janet's life.
It kind of felt like my life was ending. Like the things that I wanted to do weren't going to be possible any longer. But that's not the case anymore. It feels like I have a whole new beginning.
She's never looking back, and she says others shouldn't either.
Be courageous, take that step forward. It's so worth it. There is work to do. You don't just have it done and you lay there. You actually work. But you know what? You can. You're able to. And it just feels so much better to be moving than to be wishing you could.